So very quick video on how to not get a part of data breaches, how to make your Google account little bit more secure and get to know exactly where your Google account is connected. So it's very easy. Just click on your account, click on manage your Google account. Once you click on it, there will be option. Just click on data privacy, and you'll get this page. Scroll it little bit, and here you can just customize the thing that you want to pause or start. And in the at the below you'll get an option of third-party apps and services. Just click on it and you'll get a bunch of lists exactly where your Google account is connected directly. StreamYard, TubeBuddy and VideoCube is a platform where my account is connected. If you want to remove, just click on the account that you want to remove and just delete all connection you have with a StreamYard or related application what you have. So this is exactly how you can make your account little bit more safer, and I always recommend you to remove as much account as you can which is connected with your Google account. That's your private security and safety. So thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Enjoy.